Hello guys, it's Johnny time and welcome to another DeFi tutorial. Today we are going to solve your issue if you have any tokens that you staked in farms on PancakeSwap and you cannot find them. This is a very common issue and hopefully today we're gonna solve it for you with this short educational video. But before we start, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click the small bell notification button and choose all notifications so anytime I post new videos, educational videos about crypto and DeFi, you can see them as soon as possible and learn about it more. So let's get into business, and it's a common issue that every one of us had. I had it in the past. Many more people ask about it all the time, and hopefully now I can solve it out for you. But if you're not familiar with what PancakeSwap is, farms, zero pools, lottery, all these kind of features, check out my channel. I have so many videos that explain about all the features and what it is and all the technical things behind it. So if you stake your tokens in the farms and you basically click the small toggle button staked only and you suddenly cannot find them anymore, you might freak out like, where is my money, where are my tokens? But don't worry, now hopefully we're gonna solve this issue. So this issue usually happens because there are some farms that has been finished. The Cake team already adjusts the emissions and the rewards that are being given to liquidity providers in order to improve the PancakeSwap protocol and PancakeSwap platform, and basically they are shifting rewards from low performing farms to high performing farms. I have another video about it that explains why they're doing it and how it's gonna affect the Cake token and the PancakeSwap project, but that's basically what they're doing. So if the farm that you provided liquidity in the past actually done and finished and there are no Cake emissions rewards anymore, it will not be under live. You will have to change here in this kind of small toggle button to finished. Okay, right now I don't have any stake tokens in this kind of wallet, but if your farm is finished, you will see your staked tokens there. You can also filter only staked only, and basically it will filter in the view in the user interface only farms that basically you have some kind of token staked inside. And actually, funny fact, you can see that many people actually still have their liquidity pool tokens staked in the farms, in finished farms, that you can see that there are zero rewards, zero APR, zero multiplier, but still there is around 150k liquidity staked in the smart contracts from Bondly BNB, which is amazing. Actually, so many people does not know that the farms has been handed and there are no rewards, and for nothing they leave their tokens inside. This is fun because they still get some kind of rewards from the trading fees that are being given to the liquidity providers every swap that is being made, but actually there is no reason to keep the tokens in the smart contracts. It's better actually to leave it in your wallet. So if you have, maybe always check out the finished farms here. So if you have any liquidity that you provide and you stake it in a smart contract and you don't get any rewards, any Cake rewards, there is any reason to leave your tokens inside. And look how much money. 140k, 40k, 62k, 250k for BRuby, BNB, and wow, BDIG, BTCB, more than $1 million is still here in the smart contract with zero rewards, which is actually good because it means that for PancakeSwap it's good because they give some kind of rewards, but after a while the rewards are being done, but there is still liquidity that is being provided by liquidity providers, and which means that people get better prices when they do swaps. The slippage will be lower, which is nice. So hopefully I was able to solve your issue. Let me know if you have any questions or any things that you want to share with me in the comments below. I'm very social in that case. I reply, we have nice discussions in the comments, and I learn a lot from my subscribers and my watchers, so I really appreciate your comments. And also if you can click the small like button, it really helps. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.